Hi, and welcome to another Orlando Obsession. We're actually in Disneyland in California, and I want to show you the lightsabers from Galaxy's Edge.
Because there's a lot more to them than I realised. And I'm going to break one down, show you how to pack it in your suitcase, and actually show you some of the differences in the different lightsabers. So first of all, if you're not familiar with these, at the new Galaxy's Edge expansion in Disneyland and soon at Walt Disney World, there is an area called Savvy's Workshop. And in this area, they gather scraps from around the galaxy, and if you book a session there, you can make your own lightsaber from the scraps that they've gathered for your pleasure. So you get one of these black carrying cases, and inside you can carry your lightsaber. Here is one, and it does this. And it looks great on camera. And it makes this sort of noise. The little speakers at the bottom there, by the way. And it makes swishy noises as you move it around. And turn it off. Now then, this, you might think they're all the same, but listen to this. Here's another lightsaber, and listen to the difference in this one. It's a much higher pitch. And it makes different bzzz noises. I'm into the red blade, naturally. Can you hear that? And then the other one.
It's a darker sound.
So there's different sounds on the different lightsabers you can assemble. Original again. Isn't that cool? Now here is the problem. They are really big. If I take the camera over to my case, let me show you what I mean. You have to forgive the messiness of my case. So that is a badly packed Samsonite S-Cure. Yes, 22-inch case. Here's the problem. Case, lightsaber sticks out the end there. Forgive the balloons and things, it was my birthday and we're just messing from all the packing. You see, it doesn't fit. Now here is a large, a 32-inch suitcase. You see, it still doesn't fit. Except, you can break these down. Now then, listen to this. Aha! The blade actually comes out. And now, as long as you have a large enough case, you can see it fits in there nicely. But you do need a large case, or you're going to have to check this through and carry it on as hand luggage. Also, the whole thing itself does break down, but I'm going to do a separate video on breaking one of these down and showing you exactly what's inside. But this is just for how to pack your lightsaber and take it home with you and show you the differences. Now there are also several different hilt versions available, and that's the noise it makes if you try and turn it on without a blade attached. That's how you pack them. In the next video I will break this down into its separate components and show you the differences and how they are assembled at Savvy's Workshop. Alrighty, well I hope you found this useful. We're flying home shortly, so sadly, unless all the happy birthday stuff because it was my birthday while we were here. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Shall see you in the very next show. Hope you found this useful. Bye.